Here you see the 448. We think it is a hen. A late bred from a son of the famous Jeff, first international Barcelona, with a daughter of my best breeding hen, foundation hen, the famous Barcelona hen. Fantastic racer, first in national age Perpignan, but also many top results in Barcelona. Beautiful hen, especially for Barcelona.